Welcome back to Quarantine Science with Mr. Nichols. Today, we're going to learn about acids and bases. Acids and bases are two special chemicals found in the world. Every liquid is either an acid or a base. Every substance in the universe is made up of hundreds and thousands of tiny atoms, molecules, and ions. When a large amount of those ions happen to be hydrogen ions, then it is an acid. Foods that are acids have sour taste, like orange juice. Next, we're going to talk about base substances. In base substances, they contain a lot of hydroxide ions. These are different types of molecules with a small electrical charge. One everyday example of a base substance is baking soda. See, if you try to taste baking soda, it tastes really bitter. So, base substances, when you taste them, they taste bitter. For today's experiment, you need water, soap, vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, a 2-liter bottle, and a cup. First, take your baking soda, pour it into your cup. You want to fill your cup about halfway full. You want to fill the rest of that cup with water. We're making what's called a baking soda slurry. And that slurry, you need to mix that baking soda all the way up. Mix it all the way up, and it's going to be a little hard. And next, I'm going to grab two things. My 2-liter bottle and a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, that's okay. You can just pour it in. But I'm going to use a funnel to make it a little bit easier. And I'm also going to grab a measuring cup. And this measuring cup is in milliliters. So what you need is 100 milliliters of water, 100 milliliters of water, and then you need 400 milliliters of white vinegar. After that, to be a little fun, I'm going to add my soap, and you can add as much as you want or as little as you want, but I'm going to add a good bit. And then I'm going to add food coloring so that we can see a little better. And I'm going to choose a fun color, and I choose blue. And I'm going to dump all that food coloring in there, and now that it smells like Easter already, I'm going to dump that in this 2-liter bottle. That's all in there. Next, though, before we do anything else, we need to go outside. Now that we're outside, I'm going to try to pour this in here. Let's see what happens. Welcome back in. So, how does it work? A chemical reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda creates a gas called carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide is the same gas used to make carbonation in soda. The gas gets very excited and tries to spread out. There is not enough room in the bottle for the gas to spread, so it leaves through the only opening in the top. Parents, I have included an activity to go along with this experiment. As always, make sure you share your videos, your photos, so we can document your experience.